Hello and welcome to the SatonmyButt channel, where today I'm talking about the modern day Duke luxurious beard wash. Now, I've said before, make sure you wash your beard with a designed for soap or shampoo. Normal shampoos and shower gels will just strip the oils out of your beard. It's not very good for your beard at all. These are a kind to your beard and you really will notice a difference, trust me. Now, even so, you still only want to be washing your beard 2-3 times a week, and the rest of the time giving it a rinse with fresh water. But if you work or indeed play in a dirty environment, then you're going to want to be washing your beard more often, so it's even more important that you use a designed for product. Now, this luxurious beard wash comes in a 200ml bottle. It is cedarwood and lime scented, and very honestly, they put on the back it's not 100% natural. It is 80% natural, free from parabens and sulfates. You know, there's been this thing about parabens linked to cancer. It is a... No, my brain will think of it and I will tell you what a paraben is. It makes the stuff last longer, that it's a preservative. There you go, it's a preservative. It's been a rough morning. So, anyway, I live in Essex, hard old tap water. The result is that you don't get as much of a lather from your soaps and your shampoos. But that didn't stop the modern day Duke shampoo. It has a pump applicator on the top, and one pump of it into my hand, it's a clear shampoo, left my beard absolutely covered in lather, and it really does a very nice job indeed. It's been a while since I've used the shampoo. I did have a favourite shampoo. That company is now, alas, no more, and a lot of guys really did like that shampoo. I'm going to say, you know, this is quite a good substitute for that shampoo. 200ml, it will cost you $13.95 from moderndayduke.co.uk, and they say on their website 100% money back guarantee. If you don't like it for whatever reason, they will offer you your money back. And so that is all there is really to say about that. I'm going to give this one a 90. Go on, a 95, I'm feeling generous. A 95 out of 100. A really very nice shampoo, 200ml for $13.95. Go and check them out. And that is that. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Take care.